This mini-split air conditioner is blinking error code 2. I will guide you on what this error means, its possible causes, and how to fix it. Now we have moved to the outdoor unit, and whenever error code 2 appears on the display, it indicates a fault in the outdoor unit. You can see this PCB and the sensors connected to it. Now I will tell you which sensor is faulty. Look at this white connector. This is for the discharge pipe sensor. If this connector gets damaged or has a loose connection, the system will display error code 2. Additionally, if the PCB itself is faulty, you will also get error 2 because the PCB supplies 5 volts to the sensor, which is essential for feedback to the microcontroller. If these 5 volts are missing, you will need to repair the PCB to resolve the issue. Apart from this, the sensor itself may become short-circuited, so you should check that as well. You must also know the resistance value of this sensor. If you replace it with a sensor of the same resistance value, your unit will return to working condition. Now, let me show you where the discharge pipe sensor is installed in the outdoor unit. The sensor is attached here with a clip. If this sensor falls off from its position, notice that it is secured with a cable tie. Then due to it getting disconnected or broken, the system will display error code 2. This happens because the feedback signal is no longer reaching the microcontroller, causing the unit to detect a fault. The resistance value of this thermistor is 55.8 kiloohms. Another error code is showing on the display. The set temperature is 16 and the error code is 1. Since this is also an outdoor unit fault, let's check what the issue is in the outdoor unit. Now we have moved to the outdoor unit, and I will explain in complete detail why error code 1 appears. Look at this PCB. You can see that it has 4 sensors. Whenever the sensor connected to the black connector becomes faulty, it causes error 1. This sensor is the condenser pipe sensor, also known as the heat exchanger sensor. If this sensor is damaged, has a loose connection, or gets short-circuited, the system will display error 1 on the indoor display. Additionally, if the PCB itself develops a fault, it can also cause error 1. This is because the PCB provides 5 volts to the sensor, which is necessary for proper operation. To troubleshoot, you should check whether the 5-volt supply is present on the PCB. If it is missing, the PCB may need repair to resolve the issue. Now, let me show you where the condenser pipe sensor is installed in the outdoor unit. I have removed the cover, and you can see the wires coming from the top. This is where the sensor is installed. I will zoom in so you can see clearly. This is the condenser pipe sensor. If this sensor becomes faulty, the system will display error 1. Also, if the sensor is not properly installed in its correct position, the error will still appear. Any of these faults could be causing the issue, so you should check all these possibilities. Once you inspect and repair the faulty part, the error will disappear and the unit will return to working condition. The resistance value of this thermistor is 5.18 kiloohms. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.